Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this Science4You Marker Factory DIY. This is such a great activity that enables your child to unleash their creativity while keeping screens out of sight, especially during these summer holidays. So let's get to it. Science4You Marker Factory DIY is recommended for children age 6 and above, and it contains 12 activities with 65 content, and is also suitable for boys and girls. It also comes in 7 different languages, and some of the activities that you can do in this pack is create your own rainbow. You can create pens using your favorite shades, and you can create your own pen holders and many more. So these are the contents of the Marker Factory DIY. It comes with this green tray holder. It also comes with this powder. You've also got these round filter papers, pipettes, and test tubes. It also comes with this tray. It also comes with these stickers. After you've created your marker pen, you can use them to label them. And it also needs this QR code to follow the instruction of all the activities that I need. It also comes with these tubes which contains the dyes in them. There's different type of colors in them, and it also comes with this marker pen sets. It also comes with the tweezers and the fuzzy wire and the lids. And it also has this activity that the kids can use after they've made their markers. So this is what's contained in this pack in a nutshell. The next thing you need to do is to scan the QR code, and it will tell you all the activities that you need to do. And as I said, it comes in different types of languages, so you pick the language that you want, and it will give you a list of all the activities and the things that you will need to be able to do that activity, which is amazing. So these are the dyes that contain different types of colors, and you can use them to mix colors. So it's a great way of letting the kids to be able to create different types of colors depending on the activity they want or the type of marker pen they want to make. This Marker Factory DIY is perfect for a child that is interested in science. This will be able to help them to mix different type of colors to be able to create either primary or secondary colors, which, you know, it's such a brilliant activity for them. So initially transfer a small amount of the color or dye into this test tube. You don't need to mix them yet, as now you're just going to put yellow or blue or red in one of the tubes. And once you've transferred the dyes, now you're going to bring another test tube and mix the colors. So you can decide to make secondary or primary colors, is up to you, whatever kind of shade that you want to do by mixing a mixture of different colors together. Once you're happy with the shade of colors that you're going for, it's time to assemble the marker pencil. The pen comes with this tip that goes inside the front of the tube, like that. Then go ahead and you can use tweezers or your hands and just dip that long white tube inside the test tube that contains the color shade that you've selected that you want to make your marker pen using that color. So just like that, just dip it in there and let it sit there for a couple of minutes or so for it to saturate with the color before you transfer it back into your marker pen. As the children will be able to learn, this is osmosis, where something moves from one end to the next. Yeah, just basic science, which, I mean, the kids don't know what they're doing, but that's what it is, to be honest. And once the tubers, the white tube is saturated with the color of your choice, now you're going to go ahead and use the tweezers and get that tube out and put it back into the marker pen of your choice, like that. You're going to go ahead and do the same thing as you've done to the previous one and just put all those long tubes into the marker pens. Once that is done, you're going to go ahead and insert the clear tube inside the white tube. I don't know what they're called, so that's the only way I can explain. You just need to insert those two pieces together like that. And then once that is done, just put it on top of your marker pen. And voila, it's kind of ready. You do the same to the rest of them. And once that is done, just put the pen inside that little holder and let it sit there for a while. And you can go ahead and use the stickers and draw, color, or name the type of pen you've made. You can give it a different name or whatever it is that you want to label your pen with. And that's what is happening here. And then get the sticker out and put it on your pen, just like that. And your marker pen is ready to be used with your wonderful name that you've given to it. So I had a go on how to make this, and I'm just gonna clearly show you how I did it. So you put that long stick inside the tip of your marker, just like that. Then I used a pair of tweezers and pull out the long tube that needs to go inside the marker pen. And this is how it looks so far. Then as before, I use the clear tube and the white tube and just put them inside each other, just like that. And this will go on top of the marker pen to seal it so the ink doesn't come out, and just push it down. The marker pens also comes with a top, so just replace the top to preserve your ink. Another thing you could do is use one of your old marker pen that have run out of ink and replace the tip of it with the ink of your choice, and you can carry on using them. So this is what I did. I removed that and I put them in the test tube that had similar color or different color, it doesn't matter, and just let it settle for a few minutes for it to absorb the ink before I transferred it back into the tube, and voila, you're ready to use it. So this is the best way to recycle your old marker pen, by just refilling them with new ink. And here are the kids using the marker pen they've just made to do some coloring. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.